Did you know that ants are basically tiny walking oxygen sponges? It's true. These little guys don't have lungs like we do. Instead, they've got a bunch of microscopic holes all over their bodies. These holes, called spiracles, act like millions of tiny mouths constantly sucking in oxygen from the air. It's like their entire body is one big breathing machine. Imagine if we humans could do that, we'd be covered in holes. But for ants, the system is super efficient. It allows them to be incredibly active, working tirelessly in their colonies. So, next time you see an ant, remember you're looking at a masterpiece of natural engineering breathing through its entire body. Nature's full of surprises, isn't it?